Hello viewers, here is a Holmes Air twin window fan, 8 inches, model HAWF2020, and this is an earlier model, probably early to mid 90s I suspect. The box is not in the greatest condition, but it is still with us, which is more than can be said about the majority of the boxes that these fans came in. You can pause the video and read the features if you so desire to. There was some, actually copious amounts of tape all over the box, which I was able to remove, but it did not come off without a price, unfortunately. It did kind of jack up the illustrations a little bit, but nothing you can do about that. I thought I saw a copyright date on this somewhere. Unless it has been a figment of my imagination. Oh no, here we go. Oh jeez. Jeez, not even that late, I'm already screwing up. 1994. Of course, that doesn't indicate the date of manufacture, but it's an approximation. And this here, unfortunately, made in China. It looks like carton 3150 of 3850. Target stores, I can make that much out. So it's been sold at Target. So anyways, let's open this up and take a look. Notice about polarized plugs on the inside. I don't know if this is the kind of box that features all the other Holmes products. Let's open it up from the other side and see if that advertising is in here or not. It's not. Oh well. Here's the fan itself. It resembles to some extent the design of the fans we have today. Whoop, there's not even the frame tag on it. With the switch that passes through to either side. This does have a handle, which is nice. The main difference on this one is that, actually there's a few differences. Number one is that the side panels are the retractable kind on both. Let's deal with this camera today. With both sides, and they're metal. It's a metal frame, and there's no clips, so I'm not exactly sure how this is supposed to lock in place. It certainly does not stay where you put it. Oh, this is that molded? Huh, maybe I should get this cleaned up sooner than later. I don't want anything with mold sitting around in here. This is kind of jamming up here. And then the other side is also a retractable panel. Well, this one kind of stays where you put it, although it's equally as dirty. I can't tell if it's just dust or mold. In case it's mold, I think I'm going to go ahead and clean this up today. It also has mounting holes on here, which is kind of interesting. I guess maybe that's what holds it in place. They expect you to mount it to the side of your window, which is, you know, okay. Any other kind of windows you have. Here we have the informations. I don't see a date code on there, at least not that's not cryptic in some way or another. The motors are on the back, which is kind of unusual for these fans, and the blade blows away from the motor. Though looking at it from the back, it's there's almost no difference between the back and the front. It looks pretty much the same. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see if it runs. With the amount of dust that's on here, I can't imagine it runs very well at all. If it's not completely locked up, that's my guess, because it's going to be locked up. But let's see what happens. I'll start with low. Oh, I guess it's going to run. And it seems like it's running relatively quickly too. Okay, so I guess it's not locked up. Not moving too much here, but I'm not surprised given what the blades and the guard looks like. Let's go to high. No, actually, that's holding its own still. Not bad for the amount of dirt that's in there. And it sounds like it's running relatively smoothly too. I don't hear any bearing noises or anything else like that. Let's see if we can get the spin down on video here. Actually, that's not bad at all. So, functionality wise, it's okay. I'm sure the motor's fair to be serviced by this point. It's probably at least 25 years old, but it does work and runs just fine. So I guess that's a good testament to the quality of the Holmes Air brand, you know, from the 90s and earlier. They didn't lose their quality until I'd say somewhere around the mid 2000s or so, but even then they didn't get quite as cheap as other brands are. I still think Holmes is a bit better than some of the other makes out there. So anyways, I'm going to close this video off and we'll do another video of this fan cleaning and servicing it.